Hi, I am Farzana Khusro. You're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
Moisturize your skin well. Apply primer and a strobing cream to add that extra glow. Blend it nicely. Don't forget your under eye. Apply a primer so that you don't get creases. Apply corrector wherever required. Apply a cream-based foundation for that natural glow. Don't forget your neck and body. Apply a lighter concealer to brighten up your under eye. Blend it nicely. Contour your face for the chisel look. Blend it nicely so that you don't get any hard lines. Apply a liquid blusher and a liquid illuminator for that soft dewy look. Blend it nicely. Set your face with the powder. Apply some blusher and set it with a setting spray. Groom your eyebrows. Fill them up nicely in a nice shape with a pencil. Set them. Apply a concealer on your lid. Blend it nicely. Set it with the powder. Apply a lighter brown color on your crease line. Blend it nicely. And a darker brown color on your outer V to give it a deep intensity. Apply a soft shimmery taupe color on your lid and a lighter silvery color on your inner corner. Intensify your outer V even more if you want. Blend everything nicely. Apply a liner close to your lash line and smudge it with a brush. Don't forget to do your lower lash line. Apply some brown color to give it an intensity. Take off any extra fallout. Curl your lashes to open up your eyes. Apply your mascara on the lower lash line as well as on the upper lash line. Apply 2 coats if you are not wearing any lashes. Clean any extra fallout. Apply a powder highlighter to give that extra glow. Voila, check that soft dewy look on the skin. Amazing, isn't it? Finish it off with some lipstick. I like to apply nude lipstick, but you are open to apply any color of your choice. Isn't she looking amazing? Beautiful. This is the finished look. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.